Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Guys, we got another quick unboxing. This one's sent in from a viewer. If you would, before I crack into it, please hit that subscribe button below and that bell notification icon next to it. It would help me out hugely. The unboxing knife today is going to be the Watchman Brother little fixed blade from Amazon, little $19.95 knife. I've got another one coming in with a blacked out blade. I'm going to do a scale swap, and then we'll give the blue G10 and satin one away. All right. So this is a brother from another mother who y'all all know. I actually met at Blade Show. Super nice guy. Is always in the chats. Always hangs out with us. Y'all know him. Y'all love him. And he knows that I'm kind of into the slip joint thing, right? And I told him one of the knives I was kind of wanting a pattern after was something that was kind of side bustery. And so he's like, John, you don't have to go after anything like that. I've got an extra one I'll be happy to send you. And so this, guys, is a full size side buster from Case. Very sharp, very big and nice, kind of what I was expecting in this knife. Wow, thank you, thank you, thank you. You know who you are. Guys, this is something that I saw the shape of it and I'd seen it at different places, different configurations from side busters to clod busters to you name it. This looks like it's got a synthetic handle with nice copper pins, brass liner, probably 440C steel. Um, just a super, super nice case representation of a full-size sidebuster. They also make the sidebuster junior, which is a little bit smaller than this knife, but in terms of a big work knife, get it done, bust up those clods, those sides, this guy will do it for you. It's got a real nice ricasso here on the front to keep that blade from closing back on you, and just really, really is a neat knife. And I am so stoked, not only because it's a neat knife, not only because it was gifted from somebody by the channel, but who that person was. And if you guys know anything about me, I'm pretty sentimental about knives. So there's certain knives that I'll pass along, I'll gift to people. There's certain knives I'll make available to people. There's certain knives I'll sell. And then there's certain knives that'll stay in my collection because there's a story attached to them, there's a memory attached to them. And guys, as long as I am breathing, I will be keeping this side buster in my collection because it makes me smile just looking at it. I think it's super, super cool. I think it's a DKFSF, just an absolute look, man. I've got an extra one. I've got a side buster. Don't buy one. Let me send you one. Um, Guys, I know how that feels. It warms my heart. I think it's something that's, I think we all love being able to pay something forward to somebody who'll appreciate it. And if the person who sent this in is watching this, I want you to rest assured and know that I will absolutely appreciate this, not just for Instagram pictures, not just for my review video when I do the review video after using it for a couple of weeks, but just because when I carry it, I'll smile, man. I'll think of you and I appreciate it. And just so you know, I always keep return addresses because I like to pay things back, brother. And I know you're not looking for that, but I promise you, I will have something coming your way. It may surprise you. It may be something you're interested in. It may be something you want to gift on. You never know. But guys, thank you, thank you, thank you for taking the time to watch my unboxing this afternoon. That's two unboxings in one day. So it's kind of been a crazy day. We'll have an unboxing next week. Nothing super major, but something that I hinted to earlier today. And then I will ask you guys one last time, only because analytics say people that watch the videos aren't subscribed. And I'd love for you to be subscribed to the channel. But look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please go forward with love in your heart. And please look out for each other. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.